Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Slide. I'm back with you guys with another episode of Talk Tech. I'm excited because we always have good things on here. And today we have a package. So we got this box right here, just came in the mail. We're going to go ahead and bust it open and see what it's all about. So come on, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so this is the official unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Book 2. So without any further ado, we're going to just go ahead and jump in here. I have my handy unboxing knife. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and cut it open. I'm really excited about this. So we'll put our unboxing knife down here to the side so we don't hurt ourselves. Alright, got the paperwork, shipping paperwork, the box, and then some other stuff for me, and then packing. So we'll take this, we'll file that to the side. So here we are. Let's take it out the plastic. Dun, dun, dun. So if you take a look at it, this is going to be similar to a lot of other things that Samsung has put out as far as boxes. The box itself is going to be in a matte black finish with the name of the device in big bold letters. This is actually the same color blue that you would find on the Galaxy Note 9. So obviously you see Galaxy Book 2 here. On the side it actually has some information about the device. It's a Windows 10 Home and it comes in S mode, and that can actually be changed or upgraded once free, and we'll actually go over that at a later time. It's a 112-inch display and 128 gigabytes LTV, and obviously it's Samsung Galaxy Book. So if you look at the top here, the top is in a matte black finish with nothing on it. Here, this side also matte black with some information about the device. Matte black on this side, and once again matte black on this side. If you look at the back is going to have the name of the device, and then under it's going to tell us what's actually in the packaging. So what we can actually see is the Samsung Galaxy Book, 12 inches, 128 gigabyte variant, pre-installed SIM card. Okay, that's going to give you your LTE connectivity, S Pen with case, keyboard, wall, USB charger, quick start guide, terms and conditions. So that's what's in here. So let's go ahead and shake it and open it up. Shake, shake, shake. So really excited. So as you can see, the inside of the box, and that's it for the top. So we'll go ahead and just set that to the side. And first thing you see when you open it up is you see once again the name of the device, and this is the keyboard. So it's in some protective covering. So we'll take that, we'll set that to the side. This right here is actually going to be our device. We'll lift that up with the tab. And then we have a few other things in here. I think it's pretty safe to say that this is going to be the S Pen. You have your books and instructions. And then right here you're going to have your SIM card ejector, charging cord, charging brick, and your pin, your S Pen remover and replacement tips. So that's it for the box. There's no other goodies in here, so we'll set this to the side. These are things that we don't need right now, but we'll definitely need later on. And let's go ahead and start from the smallest to the largest. So right here we actually have the S Pen. And this is a very nice cover on here. It actually says, and hopefully you can see it on here, it says the Galaxy Book 2. And it actually has like a protective sleeve on there where you're able to pull out the pen. It feels very good quality. Molded plastic is the case. This pen is going to be the same shape and style, I don't know if it's the exact same size, that we've seen in the Samsung Tab S4 earlier this year. So it actually gives you more of an ink pen feel than what previous S Pens have had. So we'll set that to the side. And then right here, this is actually the keyboard. So we'll set that to the side. So we have the keyboard right here. And this is going to be your keyboard, obviously. You're going to have a very nice feel. It's a nice shape size trackpad. We'll have to spend some time with it. And the key space seems pretty good. This is backlit, and this is connected to the device with pogo pins. And as you can see there, those pins will actually go into the device, and that's what powers it. And then what we're all been waiting for, here is our Galaxy Book. Now we take it out, very, very nice, nice feel to it. It feels very sturdy. It is lightweight, and it feels like a premium device, and it should because it costs a premium amount. So just real quickly, we have the display here. We have a front-facing camera. If you turn it to the top, you have your power button, your volume up and down rocker. This looks like 2 microphone spots. As we turn to this side, you'll see that there is a speaker grill. Hopefully you can see that. There is a 3.5 headphone jack spot right there, and 2 USB Type-C ports. So obviously you can charge your device that way, or you can add other devices or accessories to it. On the bottom, you actually see an indentation with those pogo pins, and that's simply where the keyboard is going to actually connect, and you'll just be able to slide that in there and it's actually connecting. And then once again, pull it off once you're finished with it. This side right here is where our SIM card and micro USB card will go, and that's where you'll put your SIM ejection tool, and then I'll open that up. And then you have another speaker here. If you turn to the back is very nice. Up here at the top, you see a fingerprint sensor / scanner. Very excited about that. And you have a rear-facing camera. You have Samsung branding, and then down here you have tuned by AKG. This also has a kickstand similar to what you would see on the Surface products. So you're able to adjust your device to whatever port or whatever position that you need it. So, you know, that's going to be really good. So this is a 2-in-1 device. This is a computer that also works as a tablet. So obviously the biggest thing about this is going to be able to have full Windows capabilities, and you can actually upgrade from Windows 10 for free to Windows Home Edition and have that. With this device here, one of the things that is really promoted about it is that it always has connectivity with LTE. So here in the US, there's actually 2 carriers, and that's going to be Verizon and AT&T that are actually going to offer this particular device with that always connected plan. And that's going to vary depending on what your data plan is with your carrier. And we'll talk about that on another video also. So real quick, I just want to go over some specs real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. But so far, first impressions, I'm very impressed. Very well made. It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel flimsy. Actually, we got to get in there and see how the hardware works, especially having a Snapdragon processor. So I'm going to take a few minutes and just go over a couple of main specs just so you know what's going on with this awesome device. So I'm going to read it straight off my phone. Real quick, the dimensions. So top of it's going to be 11.32 inches from side to side. If you're going to go from top to bottom, it's going to be 7.89 inches. It's going to have a thickness of 0.29 inches. Very thin device. As far as pounds, it's actually going to weigh 28 ounces. So extremely light device. That's just the device itself. That's not including the keyboard cover and then the S Pen also. So that's just going to be for the device by itself. We already said that this has a 12-inch display. This is going to have one of Samsung's Super AMOLED, and it's actually going to have Corning Glass 3 Gorilla Glass to help protect against scratches and dents. The resolution on here is going to be 2160 by 1440. A couple other things I want to hit on. There's a front-facing and a rear-facing camera. The front-facing camera has a 5-megapixel camera. The rear-facing camera has an 8-megapixel and is able to shoot video in 4K. One of the things on here is the battery. The battery life that they're saying, and I'm really interested to see how this works out. But this has a 6,210 milliamp battery. And Samsung is actually saying that you can use this. It'll give you 20 hours of actual time use. And if you have it fully charged and it's just sitting on, it'll actually have 28-day standby time. So that's almost a full month. So I'm really interested to see, whether that's going to be true or not. And then up to 170 hours of playback time for audio. Obviously, fast charging capability. Here's something that's going to be really interesting. You're not going to find an Intel chip on this. You're actually going to have a Snapdragon 850, and that's going to be the processor. So I'm really, really interested to see how that handles Windows 10 on this device. The memory, this has internal memory of 128 gigabytes, and you can pop in an SD card and get up to 400 gigabytes of storage. 4 gigabytes of RAM, and this has Windows 10. It starts off in S mode, but you can go in there and update it or once for free, or upgrade it once for free. 4G LTE capability, all kinds of different bandwidths covered. And, for the most part, I think those are the major things I kind of wanted to go on and hit on. But this is the first look and unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Book 2. Make sure you stay tuned. Go ahead and push that subscribe button. And also hit that notification button. Because there's plenty more videos, plenty more fun, plenty more excitement, plenty more tech on Talk Tech. My name is Sly. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video.